Melba app review. Is this AI tool worth it? Melba promises AI powered audio adventures for couples and wellness, but is it worth the price? Melba is an AI app that delivers guided audio sessions designed to improve intimacy, mindfulness, and relationships. Users praise its unique concept, creative storytelling, and positive early reviews. It's engaging and feels fresh compared to traditional wellness apps. But the downsides are clear: a high $25 monthly subscription, limited content, and unclear trial terms that frustrate some users. Some call it fun and intimate, while others feel misled by the trial and disappointed by the small library. So the final verdict: Malba is worth it if you're seeking novelty and intimacy tools and don't mind paying a premium. For general wellness, cheaper alternatives may be better. So Malba is a creative but early stage. It's promising, but the high cost and limited sessions make it hard to recommend broadly. And that is our Malba app review.